Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. Okay y'all, me and the ladies, we decided to do a swap for the summer. So basically, I am going to be showcasing for this week summertime swap reveals. For the month of June, July, and August, the ladies decided to make something for those 3 months. For the month of June, it will be summertime fun. For the month of July, it will be summertime fling. And for the month of August, the theme will be called summertime extravaganza. Okay? So these ladies have worked really hard putting this all together, and I want you all to bear with me as I do these videos because I may say something wrong, or I may not. Y'all know how I be doing stuff, okay? So just bear with me while I get these videos out. Right now I have a total of maybe 5 or 6 entries that have recently come in. And I'm the first recipient that I'm going to be starting off with. Her name is Miss Hattie Jones. So we're going to go ahead and get started. If I have any information on Miss Jones, well, anyway, I'm going to leave down in the description box Miss Jones' name. And if she have any contact information, I will leave that also down in the description box. But if by chance you see something that you would like for Miss Jones to make or create for you, please send me a message. Reach out to me. I'm going to leave my email information also down in the description box. So just in case if you see something that you would like for her to make or create for you, you can send me an email and I will definitely get back to you. So further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started on this swap. I want to thank you all for watching. Until the next one, have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings. See ya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is her first swap, and this is for the month of June, and this is what it looks like. And it has a boot on here. It's really cute. She really did a good job with this. So I'm going to open it, and we're going to see what was gifted for the month of June. Oh wow, look at this. OMG, look at that paper beads. Wow. And this is called Summer Lavender. Oh, Miss Jones, go ahead, Miss Jones. Look at that. She named it. It's called Summer Lavender. Wow, look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. Look, queens. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. Let me take this big ring off I got on here so y'all can actually see. Okay, you get a ring. Oh, go ahead, Miss Jones. You get a ring. You get the earrings. And you get a beautiful necklace. Wow. And it's called Summer Lavender. This is what you're going to get. I'm going to take it out. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Miss Jones. Wow. Let me get this off my hand. Don't belong to me. Do you see this? Do you see? Look at this. Wow. This is awesome. All right, Miss Jones. Okay, we see you, Miss Jones. This is beautiful. So this is the first one. And this was for the month of June, called Summertime Fun. And she named it Summer Lavender. Okay, so we're going to put this back in the box. So I'm going to put Wow, this is gorgeous. Wait a minute, hold up. Is it something? Wait a minute, hold up. Is something else? All right, Miss Joe. Look, she had another item on the bottom, y'all. Wait a minute. And these are earrings. I'm just gonna take these. Look at these. Oh wow. These are gorgeous. Wow. So different. Like, it's just different. And people love different things. Thank you so much, Miss Jones. This is awesome. Okay. So this was the first, this was her first swap for the month of June. And you get 2 pair of earrings, and she called it Summer Lavender. You get 2 pair of earrings, a ring, and a gorgeous necklace to sum it up. Wow. All I can say is just wow. I don't know what else to say. But I'm going to set this off to the side. And then we're going to open up the next one. The next one would be for the month of July. So this is July right here. And I really love how she just added this is a love touch. She added some love on there. Okay, so this is for the month of July. So we're gonna open this up. And let's see what we have in here. Oh wow, another gorgeous, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at these. Wow. Wow. And she made these using paper clips. Wow, I never thought of that. You got one on me, Miss Jones. I never thought about making jewelry from paper clips. This is gorgeous, y'all. I hope you can see these. So these are the earrings. And this is the necklace. Wow. This is the necklace. Look at this. Wow. Awesome. Wow. And this is what we need. We need people to see. This is what makes jewelry making and being a crafter so special. It's because every last one of us have something in us to give to the world. Every last one of us. And I mean, look at this. Look at this necklace here. She's doing things that I wouldn't have done. I wouldn't have thought about doing anything like this. Never thought about making jewelry out of paper clips. And y'all know I make jewelry out of a lot of things, but this is why being a crafter, this is why you should walk in your authentic self, because when you allow yourself to walk in your authentic self, you are giving the world something that no one else can give. You know, so thank you so much, Miss Jones. We appreciate you here. We, meaning that me and the ladies on Jewelry Talk Live, when you join us on sharing other stories and more, we appreciate you, Miss Jones. We also thank you for allowing yourself to share your gifts and talents with the world. So this was for the month of July. So we got one more box, and that's going to be for the month of August. And let's see what we have here. And I think it's two of them that's attached. Yeah, so these two go together. So this is for the month of August, right here. And I tell you, she got love all on these things. Look at this. That's gorgeous. So we're going to open this up. And we got 2 boxes right here. Okay, so here we go. And I'm sorry, y'all. The one that I opened up for July was called Summertime Fling. Okay, so that was for the month of July. It was called Summertime Fling. Okay, this is August. So August is called Summertime Extravaganza. Okay, so here we go. Summertime Extravaganza. Oh, wow. Look at this. And she called these Queendom. Look at that. It's a, wow. Oh, you get a ring. Oh, Miss Jones. Look at Miss Jones, y'all. Look at Miss Jones. Wow. All right, Miss Jones. I see you, Miss Jones. Okay, so you get a ring. And you also get these earrings. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just gotta get the cotton off of them because they've been in the box and the cotton. Okay, so let me put that back down in there, and so I can show y'all these gorgeous, pretty earrings. She called these Queendom. I want you to see the faces on them. Look at these. Wow, this is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. Sorry for the noise, y'all. That's my grandson upstairs. But she called these Queendom. That's the name of these. And they got like a cheetah print on the back and a face on the front. These are gorgeous. Wow. I am telling you, art in itself, y'all, is an expression of oneself. So like I said, you get the ring and the earrings with that. Oh, y'all are going to enjoy y'all goodies. Wow. Okay, so that's that one. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, I get so excited because all the stuff is so gorgeous. Look at these. Oh, wow, Miss Jones. Oh, these are gorgeous. So you get another pair of earrings. And you get another pair. Oh, look at these. These are called, let me see. Yeah, this is a Queendom collection. Okay, these are called Queendom 2. So that's what these look like. Okay, so these are called Queendom 2. So you get these, you get those, the ring, those earrings, and last but not least, another pair of earrings. Wow, and look at these. These are gorgeous. Look at these earrings, y'all. Wow. So this right here swap was called Summertime Extravaganza. Absolutely, hands down, gorgeous. I love it. I can't say enough. I really cannot say enough, Miss Jones. Miss Jones, you just, wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing your gifts and talents with us. We would never know what you are capable of if you don't showcase it. If you don't allow people to see what you are. If you don't allow people to see the gifts and talents that the Most High have put in you to birth and give to the world. So this is this. So basically, y'all, this is all the goodness here that you are going to get. Whoever gets this is going to be very, very, very happy, because Miss Jones put a lot of time and energy into her work, and the craftsmanship of it. I love it. I love the craftsmanship. It's just like on a different level. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for this very first swap. For the next week, I will be having more coming. I have about 5 more, or maybe more, to showcase this week. So every now and then you are going to see me upload a video about the swaps. Okay, so I really want to thank y'all for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that all button that's on the side, so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like and share if you would like to. And I want to thank you all for watching, and until the next one, have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.